Hi, I'm Karen Kopis. I'm the kindergarten teacher at K-5 Cyber School. My email address is kcopis@erieschooldistrict.org. Please feel free to give me a call or an email if you need help with any technology or curriculum issues. I will be holding Zoom meetings for your children in the future. We will be reviewing letters and sounds and sight words, and I will be reading some of my favorite books. One of my favorite books is Oh, the Places You'll Go by Dr. Seuss. I look forward to working with everyone. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Ferraro. I teach first grade in K-5 Cyber. Reach out if you need anything. I know there's been some technical difficulties this year, but I'm really looking forward to working with all of you and meeting all of you through our Zoom meetings that we'll hold. And then I just wanted to share real quick that Jan Brett is one of my favorite authors, and later on I will be uploading a version of The Mermaid with me reading it to you. So look on your Accelerate and we can figure that out.
Hi, I'm Mr. Morel. I work with K-5 Cyber. I typically help with the first grade. As a teacher here, I help with any kind of tutoring, grading, and trying to help the students make sure that they stay on track.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Kilmer. I'm the second grade teacher for the K-5 Cyber program. I've really enjoyed getting to meet some of your children during our DIBBLS meetings this past 2 weeks. I look forward to doing some Zoom meetings with the kids in the future, along with I've been making recordings of me reading some stories for the kids that you can use in your independent reading logs. Make sure that you are looking in your modules for new books each week. This week, I'm going to be reading the story, The Magical Yet. If you have any questions, please feel free to call our cell phone number. The number's on the screen. I really look forward to a wonderful year with your second grade students.
Hello, my name is Mr. Yashinsky, and I'm the K-5 Cyber teacher for second grade.
Hi, I'm Mr. MATLAK. I am your Cyber Grade 3 teacher, and this year, if you need to reach me, I can be reached by email or by phone, and those are attached here. Also, I will be reading different stories that you can see in your resources tab on your Cyber Accelerate. And the first story that you should look for in the next couple weeks is this story called The Perfect Ninja. And it's something to look forward to, and I will read that, and you can find that and click on that and see me reading that. I look forward to meeting a lot of you, and some of you already have, and we're going to have a great year. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Clinton Messenger, Mr. Messenger. I teach for the Erie City Cyber Program, 4th grade, and I am available every day from 8:30 to 3:10 to see you guys or to talk to you somehow, some way. I can create Zooms, you can call me at the extension that I put out on the email that I sent to your parents. I'm sitting there grading papers and doing work at the computer all day, and would love to talk to you and help you in any way that you can. Please come and see me. I know I've seen a couple of you at the Zooms on Tuesdays and Thursdays, literally a couple, so I'd love to see more. So come see me with any questions or any concerns or any help that you need, and we'll be glad to help.
Hello, my name is Mr. Babjack. I teach in the Erie Cyber Academy, 5th grade. I teach actually all the classes, and my favorite, of course, is science, so I hope you do a great job in the science area. The technology, we know, has been a problem for many people, and many people have done a fantastic job with it. If you have technology problems, please feel free to call me, and I could walk you through those problems. My personal cell phone number is 607-345-0000. Yeah, that's 4 zeros. I know, crazy number. and I've had it since I lived in central New York when phones just started in the cell phone area. So please feel free to call me. I love to help your children. I can't wait to get everybody online working 100%. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Zurich. I'm the guidance counselor here. I'm available to help you if you need anything.
Hi, my name is Sherry. I'm the school nurse at Emerson Gridley. Please feel free to give me a call with any health-related questions for immunizations, for dental exams, for physical exams, or any health-related questions in general. My number is 874-6458, or you can reach me at sherman@esd.org. Remember to wash your hands, wear your masks, and stay socially distanced. Stay safe and healthy, everyone. Thank you.